The following segment is sponsored by Ocean Conservancy. Ocean Conservancy is celebrating the first anniversary of #TeamSeas, a campaign from YouTubers MrBeast and Mark Rober, which has successfully raised more than $30 million to remove more than 30 million pounds of trash from beaches and waterways. Nick Mallos, Vice President of Ocean Plastics at Ocean Conservancy, is here to tell us more about their efforts. Welcome, Nick. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks so much for having me, Carrie. How are you?
Of course, doing great. Now, can you tell us more about TeamSeas?
Yeah, so MrBeast and Mark Rober are two of the world's most influential YouTubers who have leveraged their platforms for incredible good over the last several years. And they created the TeamSeas campaign so that for every dollar donated, a pound of trash will be removed from the ocean. So when we at Ocean Conservancy got the call from the TeamSeas campaign asking us to join them in this effort, we of course were thrilled to do so and are excited about the possibility of inspiring a new generation of advocates for the ocean and our planet.
Yes, absolutely. Now, what made Ocean Conservancy decide to participate in TeamSeas?
For nearly 40 years, Ocean Conservancy has had the great pleasure of organizing the International Coastal Cleanup, the world's largest volunteer effort on behalf of ocean health. And during this time, millions of volunteers around the world have removed hundreds of millions of pounds of plastics and debris from beaches, coasts, and waterways around the world. So we know firsthand the value in how cleanups connect people to the ocean and inform policy. And so when we got the call, it was a logical partnership, and we've been delighted about the impact we've had together over the past year.
Yes, and Nick, tell me about the ocean plastics crisis. Let's talk about that for a second.
It is immense, and plastic pollution is one of the most prolific visible threats our ocean faces today. An estimated 11 million tons of plastic enter our ocean every year. And to put that into perspective, that is more than a garbage truck's worth of plastics every minute going into our ocean. And so through the TeamSeas campaign, we're not only able to engage and mobilize millions of volunteers around the world, we're also going to remove the equivalent of 85 football fields covered in plastics 1 foot deep. So the impact is immense and immediate.
Well, and what can people do in their everyday lives to tackle ocean plastic, Nick? What can we do every single day?
Well, we made great progress, 11 million pounds and counting on TeamSeas, but we're not done yet. So you can join a cleanup. You can visit signuptocleanup.org to find out where you can join an existing TeamSeas effort, or you can download CleanSwell, our mobile app, to do a cleanup anytime, anywhere, and contribute that information towards our Global Teams campaign, as well as informing policies and other ocean plastic solutions to address the global crisis.
Thank you for all you are doing to help our oceans. Nick, great to see you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Carrie. Take care.